Hello everyone. Today I have a question related to the quadratic equation of grade 10. The question is like this. A bus and a rickshaw leave a crossroad at the same time. The bus is traveling towards the north and the rickshaw is traveling towards the west. When the bus traveling towards the north covers a distance of 24 km, the shortest distance between the bus was 6 km, more than twice the distance of rickshaw traveling to the west. So now the first question is, write the equation based on the above context. So here, according to the questions, the bus is traveling towards the north and rickshaw is traveling towards the west. So if we see the figure analysis and the north position, as the bus is traveling towards the north position, let's suppose the distance traveled by bus towards the north is OA, that is 24 km, and towards the west rickshaw is traveling. The distance traveled is OB, and that distance, let us suppose it as x kilometer. The distance traveled by rickshaw as x kilometer. Then, as per the question, at point A is the position of bus and point B is the position of rickshaw. The shortest distance between rickshaw and bus is AV. AV will be the shortest distance. So according to the Pythagoras relation in triangle OAB, AB is the hypotenuse, so h square is equals to p square plus b square. If we use the relation, then we get the equation AV square equals to AO square plus OB square. AB square equals to OA square plus OB square. That is the equation. And keeping the value, as the question says, the shortest distance between the bus was 6 km, more than twice the distance of rickshaw traveling to the west. So shortest distance, as we have said, it is AV. Then this AV is 6 km more than twice the distance traveled by rickshaw. So we have supposed distance traveled by rickshaw as x, so its twice is 2x, and its 6 km more means plus 6, we can do it. So the length of AV is 6 plus 2x. BO, that is the distance traveled by rickshaw, is x, and distance traveled by the bus OA is 24. So this will be the required equation based on the given context. Now the second question is, find the distance covered by rickshaw. Now to find out the distance covered by rickshaw, that is to find the value of x, continuing from the quadratic equation formed in A and solving it, 6 plus 2x whole square, opening it as a plus b whole square, we get 6 square plus 2.6.2x plus 2x whole square equals to x square plus 576. On simplifying this, we get 3x square plus 24x minus 540. If we take 3 common, then the remaining term will be x square plus 8x minus 180 equals to 0. So here in middle term factorization, we get 18 into 10 180, and 18 minus 10 8. So in place of 8, we replace it as x square plus 18x minus 10x. Taking common, we get the two values as x equals to minus 18 and x is equals to 10. So as the distance traveled is never negative, so minus 18 is the invalid value, so we accept positive 10. X equals to 10 km as the distance traveled by the rickshaw. Now the third question is, if the speed of the bus is 48 km per hour, determine the speed of the rickshaw. Speed of the bus is 48 km per hour. Distance traveled by bus, as per the question, is 24 km. So using the relation time taken equals to distance traveled by speed, we get the time is 0.5 hour, that is equal to 30 minutes. So at the same time, the distance traveled by rickshaw is 10 kilometer. So speed of the rickshaw is distance traveled by the time taken, 10 kilometer by 0.5. So we get it as 20 kilometer per hour. So the speed of the rickshaw is 20 kilometer per hour. So in this way, this problem can be solved.